Welcome class to today's lesson on information systems, organizations and strategy. In the contemporary business landscape, information systems transcend their traditional role as mere operational tools. They have become pivotal strategic assets which drives organizational transformation as well as competitive advantage. So today's discussion will look at the intricate relationship between information systems, organizations and strategy. We'll also explore key concepts and frameworks. Now let's look at the strategic role of information systems. Now, historically, information systems focused on automating routine tasks as well as improving efficiency and reducing costs. Today, information system is a catalyst for innovation, enabling organizations to develop new business models, enables businesses to enter new markets, enable businesses to create unique value propositions. Now, what's the strategic information system? The strategic information systems are systems that fundamentally alter the organization's strategic goals. They also alter operations, products as well as services. They often involve significant investments in terms of capital investments as well as human resource, and require close alignments with the business strategies. Examples of these strategic information systems may include e-commerce platforms, data analytics platforms which provide insights for strategic decision making, cloud-based infrastructure which enables agility and scalability, etc. Now, strategic information systems provides access to real-time data and analytics, and this enables the managers to make informed decisions within their businesses. Now, data-driven insights can also identify market trends, customer preferences, as well as operational inefficiencies. This empowers organizations to be more responsive and proactive. Now, what are some of the competitive advantages through information systems in the context of organizations? Now, information systems can create competitive advantage. This means that organizations can leverage information systems to gain a competitive edge by doing the following one. They can have a cost leadership strategy whereby the organization can streamline operations, they can reduce transaction costs, and they can as well optimize resource allocations. In that way, they'll manage to reduce the costs and then have that as a strategy. That is the cost leadership strategy. They can also have a competitive advantage by having differentiation strategy. This means offering unique products or services, enhancing customer experiences, or building brand loyalty. In that way, they'll differentiate their products from the rest of competition. An organization can also create competitive advantage by being innovative. This means developing new business models, creating disruptive technologies, or fostering a culture of experimentation. So a good example is Amazon, which utilizes sophisticated algorithms for personalized recommendations as well as efficient logistics. Another example is Netflix, which leverages streamlining of technology to disrupt the traditional entertainment industry. Netflix also uses data analytics to personalize content recommendation and also information content creation. So those are two examples that use strategic information systems. Now let's move on to how organizations can align information systems with business strategy. This is a crucial partnership. Now there's something called strategic alignment. This means that organizations can ensure that the information systems investments and initiatives are basically aligned with the organization's overall business strategy. And this requires close collaboration between information technology and business leaders. Now, what's the importance of alignment of information systems with business strategy? Number one, this partnership maximizes the return on information system investments. It also ensures that information systems contribute to achieving business goals. Another importance is that it reduces the risk of misalignment and wasted resources within organizations. Now, let's look at the Porter's 5 forces and information systems. Now, the Porter's 5 forces framework is a very important framework in terms of reshaping industry and dynamics. Now, the Porter's 5 forces framework analyzes the competitive forces that shape an industry, any industry. Now, these forces include the following. Number one, the threat of new entrants. That is the threat of new competitors that are going to compete with the products or services that your organizations are selling. Another force is bargaining power of suppliers, the bargaining power of buyers, the threat of substitute products and services, and rivalry among existing competitors. These are the Porter's 5 forces framework. They really reshape the way operations, the way the industry operates. Now, what are the importance of information system on the 5 forces? Number one, the threat of new entrants. Information system can create barriers to entry, reduce dependence on specific suppliers, and can also facilitate online auctions. In terms of the bargaining power of buyers, information system can provide personalized services which enhance customer experience and also facilitates the price comparisons for the customers. When it comes to the threat of substitute goods or services, information system can create unique value propositions. It can also differentiate products, and information systems can help in enhancing customer loyalty. Now, when it comes to rivalry among competitors, information system can enable real-time data analysis. It can enable or improve operational efficiency. It can facilitate online collaborations. For example, an online marketplace like eBay and Amazon have reshaped the retail industry by increasing transparency and reducing transaction costs. Now let's look at the value chain analysis and information systems. Here we are talking about optimizing value creation. Now, value chain analysis examines the activities that create value for customers, right from raw materials to final products or services. Value chain analysis also identifies opportunities for improvement as well as innovation. Now, the primary activities of the value chain analysis include inbound logistics, it includes operations, it includes outbound logistics, marketing and sales, as well as services. And some of the support activities that help the value chain analysis include the procurement within the value chain, technology development, human resource management, as well as farm infrastructure. Now, what are some of the information system opportunities in the value chain? When we talk about inbound logistics, here we can talk about using RFID technology for inventory tracking and warehouse management. When it comes to operations, we can talk about implementing manufacturing execution systems for production optimization. In terms of outbound logistics, here the value chain can utilize GPS tracking for delivery management and route optimization. In terms of marketing and sales, organizations can employ CRM systems for customer relationship management and targeted market campaigns. When it comes to service, we can talk about providing online customer support and self-service portals within the value chain. So thank you very much for being part of this lesson. Have a good day.